Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil using our trend channels. And before looking into that, let's see how the trend channels what we had drawn yesterday had performed. Let us see. Normally, we used to draw 3 trend channels. This is our first trend channel what we had drawn for yesterday's market. I don't want to go into the details of how I had drawn the trend channels. You can go back to our YouTube channel and see the yesterday's trend, how we had drawn the trend channel videos. So here the price opened yesterday at this point, and this is a downtrend channel which we had drawn. The market, we could see the price taking resistance, coming down to the bottom line, clearing this, and after that everything happened. The price clearly maintained its downtrend. So that resulted in a very big drop. We could say very clearly that this had perfectly acted as a very good tool for us in identifying the yesterday's trend. So the next trend channel also, you could see that it had shown a clear direction. This is a uptrend channel, and you could see the price could not stay in that. It broke the blue line, taking resistance here. Now you could see the price again after a drop, it's hitting the trend channel. Now you could see the importance of the trend channels. Whatever, this is one such best leading indicator what you can follow and trust. So this is the second trend channel. Absolutely, it had helped us. The third trend channel, it's also a downtrend channel. You could see. So the price initially taking some support, finally after a breakdown you could see the price fell down, and it came down till the red line, and again after breaking that it fell down. So everything, you could see the 3 trend channels whatever we had drawn absolutely perfectly helped us in identifying the possible trend in the yesterday's trading session. Now let's go and find some or draw some trend channels for today to guide us to take a trading decision. The first trend channel, we had picked the various recent tops that was created during this last week of trading, and we had connected with the bottom. So it looks like a bit a wide trend channel, because we could feel that the market is maintaining a constant downtrend, and yesterday the price broke this level also. So this is a possible good downtrend channel. With the help of this channel, what we try to understand is, now the price is trading here. So today it can open somewhere, because given the crude oil volatility in the recent days, so if the price needs to continue its selling, it will go take resistance in this red line, and it continues its fall. If the price is taking support, there are so many chances that the price will go and test this violet line. So this is the critical zone where we need to focus. So that is the reason why we had drawn this trend channel. So this is the one first trend channel. So the second trend channel, you could see every day we will be drawing 3 trend channels to pick the trend. So this is the second trend channel. How we had drawn this trend channel, I am going to decrease the scale in order for you to understand how we had drawn the trend channel. So this is the area where the price picked some deviation in the trend, which happened around 4640. From this point the market reversed its trend. So actually it was trading in this sort of sideways trend. So a breakout happened here. Now the price is trading here. So what we feel is that if the drop, whatever happened in the yesterday's market, is the indication for a possible correction, and still if the price wants to stay in the buying side, it will stay above this blue line. So if the blue line is providing support, then you should understand that the price is going to follow this trend, leaving behind all the price action whatever happened here. So still it's going to maintain its buying trend. So this is again a critical trend channel. So we need to draw more trend channels in order to identify the underlying trend. So this is the third trend channel what we are drawing. It's quite a strong downtrend channel by picking the last 2 days high and drawing a downtrend. So this is also in order to guide us to see how far this downtrend is going to be strong. if the price is not breaking this or entering into this red channel, even if it is entering into this red channel, this violet line should act as a resistance, and this you should follow this downtrend. The three trend channel whatever we had drawn for today, we believe that this will be of great use for you to identify the trends. So let's see what's going to happen. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.